or strike them from a stationary position. Depending on the opponent's height, you can also strike either side of their body. You can also practice with moving steps. When striking, coordinate hands and feet to hit in perfect unison. In Liangyi Kung Fu, straight force carries agile force. It is designed to strike acupoints across the body. Stationary padding demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Right side stationary padding demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Left side stationary padding demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Moving step padding demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Right side moving step padding demonstration. Repeating the demonstration. Left side moving step padding demonstration. Repeating the demonstration.